working on the fuel sending unit, 1965 Ford Mustang. Mine is leaking and I don't think it works anymore. I've tested, it's getting power to it. It's got the little surge of power going to it. We'll run a test on that on camera so that way you can see it and you can test yours to make sure whether it's the sending unit or if you have an electrical issue somewhere else in your car. So, but as for now, fuel sending unit, got this from auto parts store down the road. Let's get after it. Let's turn the car on, and just to acknowledge, fuel gauge is not moving. All right, looking at your fuel sending unit. Here's your electrical. We'll unplug that. And there you go. That's working. I got me a pan down here to catch any gasoline that may leak out. And we'll start by taking off this hose on the hose clamp. So let's get that off and see how. Alright, just a little bit out of the fuel pump. Now that was good. That was a good save. Run your fuel out there, you won't have a lot to spill. So it's just a twist. It's just a twist ring. We got these little tabs. I'm going to bump it around. I'm going to get on one of these tabs. Here's one here. Here's one here. And there's one right there. I can get a hold of this one a lot better. All right. Now that little ring out of the way, should be able to pull that right on out. It's been in there for a little bit. I think this is the second sending unit it's ever had in over 50 years, so it's probably time for a new one anyway. Oh man, yeah, that dude looks. Check this out. This is what a new sending unit looks like. And it's got the little barrel, it's a little float, and it goes up and down. It reads your fuel. All the way up is full and you're empty. So, and it's got this little screen. The one I pulled out just now, man, that dude, look at that. That screen is gone. And the float's gone. That's probably why it doesn't, probably why my fuel gauge doesn't work. The float is either deteriorated in there or it'll be in there floating. Anyhow, man, that's pretty bad. I didn't realize it was that bad until it started leaking right there. And so anyway, good thing we're replacing it. Maybe this will fix it. Let's get that new one in. I got me some Scotch-Brite. I'm gonna try and clean this up. That way my gasket will seal on there good. Wow, that is a mess. You don't want to use, use a wire brush because it could spark. It could cause a spark. And that would not be good. So So if you're having trouble with that little gasket that goes around the flange of your ascending unit, I put a little dab of this shellac Indian head gasket compound. Just put a little thin coat on there. It dries really fast and makes it really tacky. Head gaskets, your valve cover gaskets is great. You're putting your valve covers on, that way they don't move. You can get them set in place, they get sticky, and install your part.
All right, well, I just put some fuel in it. I don't have any leaks. If you have any leaks coming from around here, it's probably because your little gasket got pinched or crimped while installing it. Just take it off, repeat your steps. Be mindful of that little ring. It's got to sit in that groove for it to seal right.
And it works. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it was helpful, and hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you like this kind of DIY, how to work on your own stuff in the garage, cars. Hit that subscribe button. It helps. I appreciate it. See y'all in the next video.